Alright, this is how you load a micropipette for your gel electrophoresis. Alright, first step is what you want to do is make sure you have the right microliters on your micropipette. Should be 10 microliters, and that's how much we want to load into our tip. So the red line there, that actually acts as a decimal point. And this is one micropipette. The other micropipette here has a red 0, and that's after the tens place. So that's 10 microliters as well. Alright, to get your tip on, just want to press that real hard in there. That should go on real nicely. On your micropipette, there's two buttons. The first button is the yellow button. This button you can press, has two stop points. When you press about halfway, that's the first stop point, and when you press all the way, that's your second stop point. Alright, so you can practice a little bit with that. Now, the other button, which we'll be using in a little bit, is this blue button, and when you press that, that actually releases your tip. So, when you use this yellow button, you press halfway down, like I said, to that first stop, and when you release, that will take up your liquid. When you press all the way down to that second stop, that will release your liquid. So we're going all the way to that first stop and then releasing, which you can see in my tip I have my sample. Now we want to load that into our gel here. We're going to load that into our first well. What you want to make sure you do is put the tip into that first well and release your liquid, going down all the way to the second stop, and it should be in your well. Like I said, to release your tip, you want to press this blue button. Press that, and it will release your tip.